In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under petroleum or crude oil. So guys, we have 15 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the separation of petroleum fractions depends on the difference in their. So the right answer is option B, boiling point. Very important, guys. The next repeated question with this one. It says, which of the following compound determine the octane rating of petroleum? Guys, this question is often repeated, so the right option is this option A. The compound is 2,2,4-trimethylpentane. Very important, option A. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following compound determine the octane rating of petroleum? I think we have already answered the question. Is 2,2,4-trimethylpentane. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says, a given fuel has octane number of 100. This means that the knocking tendency of the fuel is low. Yes, so guys, that's the answer to the question. Option A, the knocking tendency of the fuel is low. Very correct. Let's take question with this one. It says, petroleum is a non-renewable source of energy because it can be recycled after use. No, is cheap, is formed naturally. No, cannot be regenerated once used up. Yeah, option D, the right answer. Next question is this one. It says, which of the following processes occurs during fractional distillation of petroleum? Diffusion and evaporation? No. Diffusion and sublimation? No. Condensation and diffusion? No. Evaporation and condensation? Yes. The right answer is option D. Alright, so that's it for this question. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following fraction of crude oil is likely to contain the hydrocarbon C12H26? So the fraction of crude oil that is likely to contain this hydrocarbon is our kerosene, option D. Alright, very important. The next question will be this one. It says the primary components of natural gas is, so this is very simple, methane. The answer option A. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following petroleum fractions use Vaseline and paraffin wax with distillation? So is our lubricating oil. So is the one that uses Vaseline and paraffin wax. Next question will be this one. It says the following can be obtained directly from the destructive distillation of coal, except, so the exception here is diesel gas. Alright, very important. The next question will be this one. It says petrol consists mainly of hydrocarbons, option C. That's correct. Next question will be this one. It says the liquid hydrocarbon likely to be found in a fraction of crude oil used for domestic cooking is our, so the right answer is option B. So this is our pentane. Okay, so that is the next question. This one, it says the liquid product of the destructive distillation of coal is ammoniac liquor, option D. Take note of this question, guys. Next one with this one. It says the separation of petroleum fraction depends on the difference in the, I think I've already answered this question. Boiling point, option D. Last question for end this video with this one. It says carbon is deposited in the exhaust pipes of cars because of presence of additives in petrol. No. Presence of carbon in petrol, no. Incomplete combustion of petrol. Yeah, so that's it for this question. Option C, the right answer. So guys, this basically can do problems involving petroleum or crude oil for your chemistry practice with 15 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your study exams. Be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.